Good morning. It's November the, is it the 21st? Yeah. It's November the 21st. Today is our last day in Vegas. We're headed over to the TI Hotel. We get picked up from there to go ATV. So we about to walk over there. Tell me why I paid $100 for my nails, y'all, and it broke. Putting my shoe on. I'm upset, for real. But let me go because we're running behind. Let me show y'all our little outfits. Hers from, where yours from?
Fashion Nova.
Hers from Fashion Nova. My jacket from Rainbow. And my leggings are from Kohl's, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we headed over. I think I told y'all we headed over to the TI Hotel, which is literally next door to our room. We're staying at the Mirage. That's Treasure Island. That's the pickup area. So we gotta be there at 10. She said no later than 10, I think, 10:15. So it's kind of cold right now too. Look, breeze. Good morning, Las Vegas. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat. They tell you we're gonna be out there for like 2 hours, so they like use the bathroom, don't drink nothing. So it's gonna be a long little outing. Yeah, we need to go where the parking at.
What, 42?
Yes. Okay. We finally made it on the ATV van. You ready?
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in. Just what I'm staying too close. I'm fucking on the ground. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road, I'm getting by a couple numbers I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in. Every other night another dollar came in. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave.
Hey y'all. So I'm already I'm out the shower. I'm about to get dressed, but I wanted to share some information with y'all because when I travel, I be looking for information like, where did you go? Like, what's the name of the place? What's the number? How much did it cost? Like, you know, some people don't get that information. So far as ATV, if you want to do it, I'll probably put I'm gonna put the name and the number at the bottom. So from what I was told, they run specials, so I guess I call it a special. So it was $150 per person. Me and my daughter had to put a $75 deposit down on a card or whatever. They send you a link and you pay half of it. The day of, you have to pay the remaining balance of $75, and it has to be in cash. And then yeah, you go and they pick you up. They pick up at 3 locations. Now I forgot the other locations. I know for one, Treasure Island was one of the locations. We're at the Mirage. Treasure Island is literally like across the street. We walked over there. I can't remember the other pickup spots she said, but they do have pickup spots, and that's included in your ATV fee, the pickup and the drop off. The guy that picked us up, he was nice. He was cool as hell. He made sure, you know, he offered us water and stuff, because out there's no bathrooms, there's nothing, but they had water, cold water for us. And his selection of music was banging, y'all. So yeah, it was cool. It was dangerous. Like, I'm kind of with my daughter. Like, I did it once. I don't think I ever want to do it again, but it was fun just to say I did experience ATV. So yeah, I'm about to finish getting dressed. and I'm gonna check back with y'all. We're headed out. Trying to go find something to eat. I don't know where. I wanted to go to Hash House or Go-Go, but they closed early, so we won't be going there. I'm gonna see what we got in our hotel, or I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Track it down. This is really good. The Fenty Skin Body Butter. Or what is it? Butter Drop? Okay, so we just made it to the museum. It's right here, okay? So I'm trying to see if they're gonna let us in early. Okay, so we tried to go early before our time to see if we can get in. So they said no, we gotta come back at our time, which is 5:15. So we're about to kill time on the strip. Okay, we just left the Wax Museum. She said she had a really good time. She enjoyed it. Y'all know I've been 1,000 times, so it's always a good time. I see they changed a couple of things, so that was cool. I see Tiffany Haddish have a little wax figure now. Whew. I'm out of breath. So we about to go to the room. We got on shorts, y'all. It's cold, but
it ain't that.
Yeah, it ain't that cold.
But it's cold.
If that makes sense.
It ain't Michigan weather.
It definitely ain't motherfucking Michigan weather, okay? So we're about to go put some leggings on. And then we got one more spot to hit up. And then we're gonna pack our suitcase and head home later in the morning. So I'll catch y'all later. We're at Starbucks.
It's a mac and
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Here you go.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl.
Well, we at the ice bar. It's so cool here, y'all. Everything is ice. It's ice. You feel like home, most definitely. But everything is ice.
Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in. Just what I stand too close. You gon' fuck around the ground. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. Looking like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' want another slave.
My daughter got me going on this high roller. Dog, Vegas is high, okay? A bitch is broke now. $40 for this ride. I'm like, $40?
I'm about to be like, you know, don't meet me on Saturday.
She want to pick up OT now. You know, it's a bar everywhere. Lord knows, I've been drinking so much. Right. I was at the bar and turned the fuck up.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Look, I'm fucking tipped. Look at me, look at me. I'm tiny, I ain't got no powder. I done had Tito's before I left. I had 2 months at the bar or whatever, which were really good. They were small drinks, but they had kick to it. They was already pre-prepped. I'm back at the room, y'all. I don't know if it was those drinks at the ice bar that got me tipsy, but I did. Y'all saw me make that Tito's before I left. But them little drinks at ice bar was hitting, and they was good. One was like peach vodka. I think the second one was like peach vodka and something. But I got a supreme pizza. I'm about to eat because I'm so hungry. So good, y'all. But I'm about to close this vlog out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, y'all. Subscribe to your girl. I hope y'all enjoyed my birthday celebration in Las Vegas with my little mini-me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. And I will see y'all in my next vlog. Bye. Say bye, baby.